Wow, welcome to day 9. Today we'll be talking about 3D text. So we'll be learning about 3D text settings and shadows, also depth. So very quickly, let's dive into our design. So let's begin our text. So today we'll be working on the text, the 30. Okay, the 30. Let's just work on day. Oh, let's see. 30 days. Good. Now let's make it our. Let's just increase our image. Let's make it this way. Then let's come to our fonts. Let's see if we can use chunks. Okay, this is not as chunks. Let's use three of this. Okay, but let's see, can we change this? Let me see which one you have here. To default fonts. So let's see. I'm looking for a font. Let me use the very big fonts. Okay, no. Okay, pardon me for that. Then move it to the center. Come to my stroke. Let me just give it this dark stroke. Now I want to give it a shadow. Maybe the shadow. Transparency. Videos. Now 30 days. So it comes to my 3D. Whenever it's ready, the depth should be fine. Darken. Okay, let me just leave this as it is. Let's give it a perspective. I don't think I'll be talking about perspective, but we're looking to have perspective now. Wow. Then let me just come back to my 3D. Then I can just go and hold the perspective. This is 3D. Rotate the way I want it to go. I want it to be like this. Then come to my outer shadow. Can just reduce it. Then give it a reflection. Then I want this how to go about 3D. can just come here, import some text, just click on the image himself, then import the texture, go to browser, click on photo, click on Telegram. So I have a lot of resources that you can just use together. Let's see what is this one going to give us. Okay, this one's going to give us a I don't know what to call it, but I'm visualizing more of a shining light bulb element. Can we see? Yeah. Now you keep go back on it. Wow, this is looking wow. So let me come back to my perspective, my texture, so I can just enable this. You can increase the scale, reduce the scale. So let's just give it as 100. Then I guess we're good to go. Now let's give the 3D depth a white color to make our design kind of okay. This is where we are going to change it now. So we can just increase the hardness, the shadow, we can reduce it, intensity. Then I felt we should increase the depth color. Let me see. So I feel like increasing it. I feel like changing the color. Okay. Then this is how to go about the 3D design. So we can also work on the background. I don't know, I can't still recall if I have my glass background, but let me see if I still have glass background. I have it somewhere, but I can't remember again where I have it. Let me see this Telegram. I have my background, so I can just also bring this elements in. Okay, I'll be showing us, let me see, I'll be showing us some design now. So let me see, with this makes sense. Then take it to the back. Let's see. Wow, can you see this is standing out? So you can just increase this size. Today's design. So which other side? I remember something. I want to do something. Okay, I can just copy this perspective. Then this 3D outfit. Then instead of this shining light now, I saw an element, the pictures that I love to use. I love to use here. Come to my this Telegram. Yeah. More of a falling curtain. Good. It is a stroke. I'm taking away the stroke now. Taking away the stroke. Wow. Can we see? It's giving us one of a falling curtain outlook. Yes. So guys, that's that on texture, shadow, and the likes. So guys, see you in my next tutorial. Sure you're always following up and always duplicating whatsoever I've done and being as patient. In between the design, I'll be designing business flyer and some other fictional flyers. Thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video.